Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to report an issue with your Samsung feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you're looking on YouTube and you're having some issues where you're not seeing that feature on your phone and you want to know why, then you can report this issue to Samsung and they'll be able to fix this for you. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the Samsung Members app. So search for Samsung Members. So this is the app you're looking for, Members. It's got an M on it. Tap on that. Now here you need to make sure you're logged in with your Samsung account. So I'm already logged in my Samsung account. Go ahead and tap on Support. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Send Feedback. Tap on the paper plane icon. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find the settings that you're looking for. So if your device is slow, overheating, or there's some battery issue, then go ahead and select that. If you have other issues where you have a feature missing, tap on Others, and go ahead and tap on the frequency, and then go ahead and explain your problem. So of course, don't enter in any personal information. Just explain to them that I've seen this feature on YouTube. However, I have a Samsung S25 Ultra and I'm not getting this feature on my phone. Also try to include your IMEI number and your serial number, so they'll be able to locate your phone and give you some feedback on it. Once that's done, don't forget to attach files like screenshots, voice recordings, or any screen recordings you have. Make sure to send system log data so they can basically look through the logs, and then go ahead and send this off. Now once you do this, Samsung can look into your issue and can resolve some issues with your missing features. So there you go guys, that's how to report an issue with a Samsung feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.